In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable domain restrictions in your Wistia account. This is an important feature to help control where your videos can be embedded, ensuring that they are only viewable on the domains you specify. So, let's walk through the process step by step, starting from logging into your account all the way to testing your setup. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wistia account. Make sure you're doing this as the account owner, as this feature is only available to those with the correct access permissions. Once you're logged in, navigate to your settings by selecting the Settings option in your Wistia dashboard. From there, head over to the Account section or an equivalent tab, where all the crucial settings for your account are located. As you scroll through the account settings, keep an eye out for the Domain Restrictions section. Depending on your version, it might also be labeled Domain Restriction or simply Domain Restriction. This is the area where you'll define exactly which domains are permitted to embed your videos. Now, let's look at how you can add domains. When you're listing the domains you want to authorize, make sure you add them without including the http// or https/ prefix. A common mistake is to add the entire URL, but for this feature, you need just the domain name itself. For example, if you have subdomains such as video.yoursite.com, you can include them as long as they are explicitly listed. Remember, this feature does not support restricting videos to specific paths or pages on a domain. So, using a path like yoursite.com special page won't work. You'll only be able to restrict it at the domain level. After specifying your domains, you'll need to toggle the domain restriction feature to its enabled status. This is a crucial step, as forgetting to switch it on will mean your settings won't take effect. Once you're sure everything is in place, remember to save your changes. This will apply your newly set preferences across your account. The final step is testing. It's good practice to test your videos on each domain you've allowed to make sure they embed and function correctly. Additionally, try to embed a video on a domain that hasn't been authorized. This will help you confirm that the domain restrictions are working as intended, effectively blocking unauthorized access. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled domain restrictions on your Wistia account. This feature provides additional security and control over where your content is displayed. As always, if you have any questions or run into issues, Wistia's support resources are a great place to find solutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.